Well, pretty much everyone across the state this morning when they were heading out had to be really careful walking down their steps today, their driveways. Ice covered, Mike. How is it for you?
Not too bad, Stackhouse, but I think the bigger story here is Tuesday. Are you ready for this?
No. No,
yeah.
I'm not. It's going to be one of those days that you just need an extra coat or two, not even regular layers, double coat.
Absolutely brutal out there to kick off the week. We'll talk about that in just a second. First, I want to share this picture that was sent in by Jody. A Maine tradition, of course, ice hockey, ice pond hockey. We've got this from North Pond, Maine. We have some great submissions over on our Near Me section of our app. I would highly recommend checking that out. We have probably some cool pictures coming in the next couple of days too, because I think that sea smoke is going to be back in the forecast on Tuesday and Wednesday mornings. Let's talk a little bit about how we get there from where we are right now. Current radar doesn't show much going on. We'll see another secondary wave pass through. And that could bring some snow showers to parts of northern and western Maine, but I don't think that flurries will be widespread tonight. A couple of snow squalls possible across the crown of Maine too. I think the bigger story is going to be the wind. Wind gusts will stay elevated through the night. Usually we see wind gusts level off overnight, but not the case. Gusts will still be about 20 to 35 miles an hour, maybe even a couple of stronger ones mixed in here or there as winds shift to be out of the northwest later on. By 9 o'clock tomorrow, we've got wind coming out of the west, gusting to 20 to 30 miles an hour. Not really enough for damage, but certainly enough to feel it as soon as you step outside. Here's those snow showers I was talking about tonight. Again, a few squalls in the mountains across the crown of Maine, but those will fall apart. Rain stays well to our south, so no need to worry about that as temperatures fall quickly once the skies finally clear out. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're talking about teens just about everywhere and some single digits mixed in across parts of the Katahdin region and northern Maine. By 12 p.m. tomorrow, so noon, temperatures are still mostly in the teens. We don't really recover much, and I don't think we're going to see anything warm up too much after this. In fact, we only get colder. We're back into the single digits by 7 o'clock. Some spots across central and northern Maine fall below zero shortly after midnight. These are air temperatures, not wind chills, and then we'll start to warm up a little bit on Tuesday into the single digits. But here's your snapshot of 7 o'clock Tuesday morning, widespread areas below zero. This is what it's going to feel like, though. 7 o'clock feels like 38 below in Rangeley, 37 below in Greenville, and this is thanks to strong wind out of the northwest, as well as some of the coldest air that we've seen in quite some time. Even at the coastline, wind chill values will likely be near the -20 mark. Bundle up and stay safe. This is some real cold. We haven't seen cold like this, especially at the coastline, in a few years now. Our Arctic blast moves through on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, we actually start to moderate quickly. So I don't think this is going to be super long-lived, about 36 hours. By Wednesday, we could see a couple of snow showers out ahead of this warm front. High pressure shifts off to the east. And then this area of low pressure shows another secondary wave that forms over the Great Lakes region on Thursday, which complicates our forecast as we get into Friday and the weekend. Here's what I'm thinking for forecast low temperatures Wednesday morning. These are air temperatures, not wind chill values. This is the type of weather where dogs get frostbitten. Take your pets inside. You don't want to leave them out in anything like this. And again, the next big question is what happens as we get into next weekend in the end of the week. Seas tomorrow, 4 to 7 feet in the morning, 3 to 5 feet in the afternoon. Northwest wind 20 to 25 knots, diminishing 15 to 20 knots. We do have gale warnings in effect until 5 o'clock though. 7-day forecast inland, 24 degrees for a high on temperature after a morning low of 10 below. A few flurries possible on Thursday. I think that Friday's storm will probably be a miss. There's something that models are showing on Friday. I'm not that concerned about it right now. Saturday looks generally cloudy, and then, Sean, we could be talking about another potential storm next weekend. Tons of moving parts with that. Let's focus on the cold for now.
All right, Mike, thank you.